Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to make the cup and saucer with string. This will be an easy string trick tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now before we begin, as you can see, I have this large loop of string. What I've done is I've twisted it and folded it over itself to double it up, to make it a little bit thicker and a little bit smaller. It's a little bit easier to see. Okay, so we're going to start off like this by placing the string around the thumb and the pinky on either hand, and we're left with these across our palms, which we're going to call palm strings. Okay, we're going to take our index finger, we're going to pick up this palm string, bring it to the other side, and then take this index finger and pick up this palm string. And you can see bringing it between these two right here, bringing it to the other side. As you can see right there, this is what it looks like, okay? Very simple pattern. Now we're gonna take our thumbs, we're gonna go over these first strings, and then we're gonna pick up these, we're gonna go under these and bring them back. Now if you look where the thumbs are, you can see that there's one towards the top of the thumb and then one that goes across the bottom of the thumb area. We're going to take this one that goes across the bottom of the thumb area and we're going to bring it over the thumb. So as you can see right here, I'll show you closer. We're going to bring it over each of the thumbs while still keeping those thumb loops in place, okay? Just like this. That's what it looks like so far. All that we have to do is actually just drop our pinkies out carefully. So keep all your other fingers in place, drop the pinky out, stretch this out, and as you can see, we have what looks like a cup and saucer. And that's it. That is the cup and saucer string trick. Very simple and easy tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.